In this episode of NC Miata 101, we're addressing slow retracting seatbelts and updated OEM seatbelt guides. As you can see, the OEM seatbelt is very slow to retract. This is caused by dirt buildup and high friction seatbelt guides. In your owner's manual, open to section 8-58 for factory cleaning suggestions. Mazda recommends a mild soap solution or similar upholstery cleaner. In the car, remove the seatbelt from the guide located on the driver and passenger seats. Remove the guide by removing one Phillips head bolt. Withdraw the entire seatbelt. Using a pair of vice grips or clamps, clamp the seatbelt at the plastic to hold it in place. In a bucket, mix a dash of dish soap, 1 part distilled vinegar, and 5 parts hot water. Set your solution in the seat and place the seatbelt in the bucket. Let it soak for 15 minutes. With a brush, scrub down the soaked seatbelt and continue to rinse. Once cleaned, leave to dry thoroughly. In late 2011, Mazda released a service bulletin for poor seatbelt retraction. They cited the seatbelt guides as the culprit, resulting in a production change. As you can see, the old style on the left has a much smaller opening, resulting in more contact with the seatbelt. On the right, the new style guide has a large opening to accommodate a smoother seatbelt retraction. I found multiple part numbers for these with new and old results mixed in. Mazda has listed them in their service bulletin. I recommend calling your local dealership and asking for a 2014 and up seatbelt guide. Replace your old style seatbelt guide with the updated version. Affix your seatbelt into the guide. Test your seatbelt for proper retraction.